Welcome to the Windows Club. If you encounter the error "can't pair Bluetooth keyboard, check the pin and try connecting again," then either read through this article on the Windows Club or simply watch this video. I'll guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to try doing it through the device pairing wizard. Simply copy this command, press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Paste this command here and hit enter. This will open the device pairing wizard. The next solution is through the Registry Editor tool. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command regedit and hit enter to open the Registry Editor window. In the Registry Editor window, go to HKey Users, Default, Software, Microsoft, Windows, Current Version, Bluetooth, Exception Database, Exception DB. Then search for a folder named Adders, ADDRS. If you find this folder as a subset of the Exception DB folder, then right click on it and select delete. If you do not find this folder, like it is not present in my case, then there's nothing you need to do. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.